Let's compare Rebtel with other competitors in 2025. Let's start with the features and see how Rebtel compares to Google Voice, Skype, and local VoIP apps. Let's get started. So the first thing is, when it comes to cheapest rates, Rebtel, yes, it has the cheapest rate for most countries, but Skype does not have. Google Voice has the cheapest rate for US only, and local VoIP apps, it varies. When we look at no internet option, yeah, this feature, not internet option. Rebtel, yes. Rebtel has a no internet option where you can still make calls. Skype does not. Google Voice does not, and local VoIP apps do not. When you look at free app calls, Rebtel, yes, has Rebtel to Rebtel free app call. Skype has Skype to Skype free app call. Even Google Voice has free app call to the US for US alone. But for local VoIP apps, that's kind of rare. Lastly, video calls. Rebtel is a big no. Skype, yes. Google Voice, yes. And local VoIP apps, for some. So, Rebtel is best for frequent international callers because of the cheap rates. It is best for users in countries with good VoIP support like US, Europe, and India, and for those who want a mix of internet and non-internet calling. It is worst for countries with VoIP bans like UAE and China, and users that need video calls. So my fair verdict, should you use Rebtel in 2025 after you've checked the comparison? Well, I would say yes. If you make lots of international calls, or you want low rates without needing internet, or you're in a supported country like US, Europe, or India. But no, if you need video calls and you're in a restricted country like UAE, China, or you only call Google Voice supported regions, just better US rates. So instead, I'll ask you to do this. If your answer is no, or if you're in the category of no, then the best alternative I can give to you is Google Voice, Skype, and local VoIP apps. So hope you found this video helpful.